happening right now is I'm completely lost in the forest. It's nighttime. I called the rescue. Finally managed to get a hold of someone who speaks English. And they said they're coming. They're gonna come. Okay guys, so we're geared up, packed up, ready to go. Let's embark on the journey of Ijevan. During my first day in Ijevan, and as I was familiarizing myself with my surroundings, I stumbled up on this hiking trail, and of course I followed it. Although the hike was not that long, just about an hour, it had some beautiful scenery to offer. And that's all I could ask for. My second day in Ijevan was the day of the main event, as I had planned to go to Yale Extreme Park to do the Via Ferrata. However, due to the heavy rain the previous days, it was not available. Luckily for me, the zipline was available, which was the next best option they had, so I couldn't miss the chance, especially being surrounded with such scenery. After doing the zipline, I had plenty of time to explore, so I decided, why not just explore the mountains around this park. Disclaimer guys, although you might see me carrying a GoPro, you will not see any footage from the GoPro because I lost it while being lost in the forest. So after being lost for a while, I found my path back to Yale Extreme Park, but then I didn't give up and I wanted to try one more time. As I was hiking back, I found this stunning spot where it's like a ledge on top of the mountains, and it was just anyway, finally out. I found the way. Found the way out. Or did I? So I'm using the tripod as a selfie stick or whatever, so it's not stabilized. Yeah, it should be here. Shit, if I fall here, I'm screwed. Ah. This is the way up. I hope. Okay, I think we found the right trail. After a long search, we found the right trail. Let's check it out. And that's where things went south. This is much easier than the other one. But I guess the other one was not a trail, so. I don't think the camera will capture the magnitude of the scenery. Insane. I'm literally standing on the edge. After finding the right hiking trail, I honestly thought it was just gonna be a simple hike all the way down to Lastiver. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the tripod to give you the rumble experience. Holy shit, what is this? Are you kidding me? Am I supposed to go through here? At this moment, all I kept thinking is, I hope there's no bear living here. Seriously? There's a cave? What the f***? You're kidding me. What the f***? You're kidding. Wow. This is simply stunning. Wow. The more and more I hiked into the forests, I started realizing that maybe this is not the way. I just felt like I was getting deeper and deeper into the forests, and at one point, I just started feeling like I did lose the right trail and drifted off to a different path, which led to nowhere. I feel that I'm close. Hear that? Whoa. Hey. Fuck this. Shit, it's slippery. It's mud. If you think the footage is not stable enough, you have no idea what's my status. I'm slipping left and right. And I'm running out of breath. But I only have a limited time. So I have to make it to this damn house. How the fuck am I supposed to pass? Literally, look what I'm doing right now. From one tree to another, ass walking. I'm lost again. I thought I was following the track, but this is not. It's crazy. Just hope I found the path. Whew, tired. By the time I realized I was lost, it was a bit too late because there was no path back. It was already dark. I had no choice but to call the rescue because you hear sounds in the forest and you kind of feel you're not alone. So, as lucky as I was that I did not face any wild animals, I didn't want to take the chance and spend the night there because I was in this kind of like a pit. I was like, as you can see from the footage, even with the flash, you cannot see anything beyond 2 meters. So it's better to just call the rescue and stay alert and get out of here as soon as possible. And that's when I called the rescue.
When you come down, you see some thing with writer Lastiver.
Yes, Lastiver cave. Yes.
And after that?
After that, I kept walking, and then I found a big rock. A very big rock. Only one rock.
Okay, we're coming.
Okay.
Don't go somewhere, we're coming.
Okay. So what's happening right now is I'm completely lost in the forest. It's nighttime. Yeah, I called the rescue. Finally managed to get a hold of someone who speaks English. And they said they're coming. The thing that helped me the most is that I had a local SIM card. Now, you might say, why didn't you use Google Maps to get out of there? And I assure you, Google Maps got me even more lost than I was because it kept showing that Yale Extreme Park, where I initially started, was 1 minute away. So I followed the path. I reached there, it shows that it's behind me, back. And it was just all over the place. Google Maps was all over the place in that forest. I don't think, it was a bad move. So I stopped following it after 15 minutes of just going back and forth and back and forth. So when I called the rescue, they said, "Can you send us your location on Viber?" Luckily, I had a power bank with me, of course. So my phone was on 6%, so I couldn't do much really. Anyway, I downloaded Viber, I sent them the location, and they located me. However, they said, "We can't really pinpoint your exact location. We know the surroundings where you are." So that's when I offered that just come within a mile's radius and I'll start popping my camera flash and you'll see it. Anyway, they asked me, is there a landmark that I passed by? So I'm like, yes, it was Lastiver cave. And after that, I came across a big rock, one big, huge rock. So it was kind of like a landmark. It's not like it's huge. It's as big as like a first-story building. So anyway, gave them the location. After like 2 hours, they finally came to the surroundings, and then I started flashing, and then they're like, yes, we see you, we see you. After confirming that they see my camera flash, it took them half an hour to reach me. That's how deep in the forest I was. This is the rescue operation. They're actually rescuing me. You can imagine my thrill of the rescue. I lost the GoPro with all the footage. The thing I regret the most is losing the GoPro, because it had every single detail of this adventure. As I was sliding down the cliff, I had the GoPro filming, and I think that's when I lost it. I didn't pay attention because I hit like a branch and just boom. So all I cared about was, am I okay? And then I kept going. The footage that's on there is priceless, but hey, safety first, you know. So that was it, guys. I hope you learned something from my experience. I certainly did learn a lot. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the adventure, and I'll see you guys on the next travel video.